Hi, my name is Ivan Alvarado. This is my ID card. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the agreement syntax and what it refers to, the 6 rules of the agreement. Okay, first of all, for me, agreement in syntax refers to the concordance of words within a sentence, mainly the concordance between the noun phrase and the verb phrase. Okay. Next, we have examples about the 6 rules of the agreement. Okay. We have examples about rule number 1. Okay, we have 2 sentences. The sentences are: first, we have a pack of wolves is dangerous, and a group of university professors is innovative. Okay. In this case, we have the subject. In this case, the subject in the first sentence, a pack, and in the second sentence, a group, comes before the prepositional phrase headed by of, in this case. Okay. And the noun phrase, in this case, a pack, a group, in that sentence are in concordance with the verbs. In this case, in the first sentence, a path is in concordance with the verb is, and a group is in concordance with the verb is in the same way. Okay. Next, we have examples with the rule number 2. In the same way, we had 2 sentences. The sentence are: Peter or his sister has to tidy up the room, and neither Marisol nor her brother John is taking the medicine. Okay, we have in that sentence singular subjects connected in the first sentence with the connected by or in the first sentence, and in the second sentence we have the 2 singular subjects connected with neither and nor. Okay, we have Peter or his sister, and neither Marisol nor her brother John. Okay, we have that when we use in a sentence 2 singular subjects connected by or neither nor, this in this case require a singular verb. Okay, in this case, in the first sentence, the singular verb has, and the singular verb is in the second sentence. Okay. Okay, the examples about rule number 3. We have neither the girls nor the boy play soccer. In the second sentence, we have neither the student nor the teacher sing in the classroom. Okay, here we have, in that sentence, we use singular and plural subjects, in this case, girls, boy, student, teacher. Okay. The rule says that when we use neither or nor, in this case, the verb, in this case, plays and sing, these verbs must agree with the noun closest to it. In this case, the verb play is closest to it with the singular noun, the boy. In this case, the verb play, we add a s ending. Okay, in this case, the verb sing is closest to it with the with the plural subject, in this case, plural noun, the teachers. In this case, this verb keeps its form. okay? Then we have the examples with rule number 4. We have the dog and the cat play with the ball, and my brother and sister go to the same university. Okay, in this case, we had when we use singular or plural subjects. In this case, in that sentence, we use singular subject. We have in the first sentence the dog and the cat, and in the second sentence my brother and sister. Okay, in that sentence we use singular subject. In this case, these singular subjects are connected by "and." In this case, we use a plural verb form. In this case, in the first sentence, we have play, like the plural verb form, and in the second sentence, go like a plural verb form. Okay. Next, we have examples with rule number 5. Okay, we have Ariel, along with her dog, walks in the park. And in the second sentence, the teacher as well as the students has responsibilities. Okay, in this case, we have that we use singular subjects in this case. Ariel in the first sentence and the teacher in the second sentence. Okay, the singular subjects in that sentence are separated by phrases such as in the first sentence, a lot with, and in the second sentence, as well as. Okay? In this case, the verb in that sentence must remains in agreement with the subject. Okay? In the subject. What is the reason? The reason is that these phrases, like along with her dog and as well as the students, are not part of it. In this case, the verb remains in agreement only with the subject, okay? In this case, in the first sentence, we have the subject is real, and the verb remains with the subject, okay? We have was. Then we have the teacher. The teacher, in this case, this noun, is a singular noun because the reason is that the verb is in concordance with the subject in this case. Okay, finally, we have examples with rule number 6. Okay, in this case, we have the majority of the neighbors are not collaborating in the Minga, and 30% of the herd is injured. Okay, in this case, we can observe that in the sentence we use the words the majority and 30%. Okay, and then we can observe that we use after the prepositional phrase of in that sentence, we use in the first sentence after this prepositional phrase, we use in this case a plural subject, in this case the neighbors. And in the second sentence, we have after the prepositional phrase, we use a singular noun. In this case, in the first sentence, we use a plural noun. In this case, this plural noun is in concordance with the verb, in this case, are. And in the same way, the her, that is a singular noun, is in concordance with is. With s. Okay. Thank you so much for listening and watching to this video.